Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to give access to Google Drive link in a very simple way. You just need to go for your Google Chrome browser, then click on this group button and then go for Drive. And then here is a lot of file over here. So if you want to give this video, then you just simply come over at this three dot button, or you can click on the right mouse button. And then there will be an option called share. So click on that. And then if you can copy the link and you can paste the link, but on that moment you cannot give him the proper access to view it, comment it, or edit it. For that, you just need to click on the right mouse button, go for the share option and click on the share. And then here you can choose any of email that you want to give access. But if you don't want to do that, then you just simply click on this restricted option and click on anyone with the link. And then there will be anyone with the link option called only viewer or commenter or editor. If you give it as an editor, then just click on editor and you can copy the link and give the link to him, and he can edit that video whatever he want. So this is how you can give access to Google Drive link. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you other videos. Till then, goodbye.